Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send emojis in Microsoft Teams. So you can easily send an emoji in your message in Teams to anyone by looking towards the right hand side of the text box, and you'll find this little face icon, smiley face icon. Once you hover over that, you click it. If you're opening it for the first time, you'll need to accept to use those Giphy and emojis. But once you do, you'll have this feature available now that you can easily go ahead and click between emojis, and you can even see all, and if you scroll on you see some gifs as well. And if you want, you can use a tab, because this is basically under all at the moment, but you can click the tab that says emojis only, and you have a whole load of different emojis that you can go through. And if you want just gifs, you can also find this as well to the next tab, and you can search for gifs. So if you want to look for whatever, let's say I can type in DWL, you can find lots of laugh or shock. You can basically find those as well, so you can easily search for whatever that you want in emojis or gifs. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can easily send emojis or gifs in Microsoft Teams. Very easy and very simple.